Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat. Today we are going to discuss a very simple question which is related to the factorial, that is 9 factorial plus 8 factorial divided by 9 factorial divided by minus 8 factorial. Now think about this question, how we have to solve, which strategy we have to apply to find the solution of this question here. Students, here this is 9 factorial plus 8 factorial. If you are thinking about that, first we have to find out the factorial of 9 and then 8 and then we have to find their sum divided by their difference. It will be very long. Before solving this question, what is factorial? We have to discuss this one here. What is factorial? This is the notation of the factorial. Factorial means the product of n till 1. For example, here this is 5 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. That means from n till 1 their product is called factorial. Now come to this question here. 9 factorial plus 8 factorial, it cannot be sum up to each other. It cannot be subtracted as well with the factorial sign here. So what we have to do here? Think about that, students. Yes, this is a 9 factorial which can be written as 9 into 8 factorial plus 8 factorial. For example, here, see this example here. This is 5 factorial means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can also write this one 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 factorial. It means 5 factorial can be written in the form of 5 into 4 factorial. So therefore, we have to use the same strategy here. This is 9 factorial and we have to write down 9 into 8 factorial. And we have to adopt the same strategy in the denominator as well. So this is 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. Now we can take out the common here, that is 8 factorial from the numerator. So this is 9 plus 1 because we have to take out 8 factorial common from the numerator. Same as from the denominator. So this is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. So this 8 factorial will cancel out to this one. And this is 9 plus 1, it is 10. 9 minus 1, it is 8. So here 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So this is the answer 5 upon 4 of this question. If you like this video, dear students, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.